Hello, this video will walk you through the process of activating the user-definable buffer set within the Protos 3400 transmitter. We will first activate the TAN code or transaction number, and we will then walk you through the process of inputting the different buffer values at certain temperatures. The first step in the process is to release the option for the user-definable buffer set. We will do so by pressing the menu button and scrolling to parameterization. Within parameterization, we will unlock the admin level by using the default passcode of 1989. Within the administrator level, we will select the System Control folder and scroll down to Release of Options. Here we will see option 002 is for buffer sets. We will press Enter and select Active. We will now input the transaction number which you have received from the factory. Once you have entered the TAN number, press OK, and we will now see that option 002 for buffer sets is active. The next step is to input the buffer values of the different buffers which you will be using. By pressing return, we will see that we now have a folder for buffer table. Here we can press enter and we will see 3 folders for our 3 different buffer sets. For this example, our first buffer will be a nominal value of pH 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. We will change the nominal buffer value to pH 7. Press OK, and then continue by entering the different buffer values at different temperatures of degrees Celsius. We will continue until the process is completed for all 3 buffers. This concludes the video on how to activate the user-definable buffer set within the Protos 3400 transmitter.